Now in the next video we are going to see the more example based on the factorization method. So now here this sum is from the practice set. Second one, see what they are saying, x squared plus x minus 20 is equals to 0. So we have to find out the factors. So factor means what? First term coefficient and last term their multiplication. So here first term there is nothing, means there is 1. So 1 into 20 is equals to what? 1 into 20 we are getting 20. Now 20 we have to 20s we have to find out the factor in a such a way, so their subtraction means 20 की वो ऐसे factors find out करना है कि their subtraction we will get what? Here the middle term. So middle term is what? That is nothing, means that is 1. So their subtraction will get the 1. So 20 is coming in which tables, that you have to find out. So 20 is coming in, see, 2 into 10, then 4 5s are, then in 3's table it is not there, then 5's table 5 4s are, again 6 in 6 table it is not there, and then direct in 10 into 20, and after that 20 into 1. Done. So now see here, now these are nothing but the factors of the 20, means factors of 20 means what? 20 is coming in which table? That numbers pair. So see 2 sign है, तो यहाँ पे this 20 having here in equation this 20 having this sign minus, means हमें इसमें से वो pair select करनी है. their subtraction will be, मतलब अगर वो pair ले रहे, वो number की pair रख ले रहे, and if you are subtracting them, then their subtraction we are getting the middle term. So here which number is there? 1. So their subtraction we will get the 1. So now see 2 10, 2 into 10 we are getting 20. But if we are going to do the subtraction here, that is 2 minus 10. So what we are getting? We are getting minus 8. Next 4 5s are, 4 minus 5, it is what? Minus 1. And 5 minus 1 is what we are getting? We are getting plus 1. And here again it is what? We are getting 10. And here what? 19. तो यहाँ पर अगर उस नंबर के अगर हम सब्ट्रैक्शन करें तो ये नंबर्स मिलते हैं. तो 1 कहाँ पे मिल रहा है? यहाँ पे और here. So it means what? इन दोनों में से कोई भी एक pair we have to take. So suppose we are going to take this one, 5 into 4. So see, अगर multiplication करें 5 4s are, we are getting 20. But if we are going to do the subtraction 5 minus 4, so what we are getting? We are getting the 1. That is nothing but our middle term. So it means what? This factors is the correct one. So 5 4s are 20, and 5 minus 1 is nothing but 5 minus 4 is nothing but what? 1. So these are the factors of 20. So whenever we are doing the subtraction of this factor, so subtraction means what? Give middle sign to greater number. मतलब middle जो term है equation में जो middle term दिया है, that middle term sign we have to give greater factor. So middle term is what? 1, and having sign what? Plus. So middle term जो sign है वो greater factors को देना है. So in this greater one which one? 5. So 5 having plus sign, and here the 4 having the minus 5. So here this term we are going to replace with the middle term. So now the next term what? Once we get the factors, so उस factor वो फैक्टर्स हमें मिडल जो टर्म है वो टर्म की जगह वो फैक्टर्स लिखने. सो हियर इट इज व्हाट? सी एक्स स्क्वायर. Now here what? Factors. Instead of this we have to write down the factors. So here what? 5 having plus sign. So plus 5x, then minus 4x minus 20 is equals to 0. See यहाँ पे इस तरह से जब हम लिखते हैं, so it means what? See 5x minus 4x is nothing but what? 1x, and that is nothing but middle term. मतलब यही equation, but without changing the value of this equation we write down in this style. So now the next time step is what? The first two pair जो numbers है there we have to form the pair. So now if you know how to directly find out the कॉमन टर्म फ्रॉम दिस टू, यू कैन डू डायरेक्टली. अगर आपको डायरेक्टली नहीं आ रहा है तो यहाँ पे मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था किस तरह से फाइंड आउट करना है. और ऐसे भी अगर रफ वर्क नहीं करना, देन हियर ऑन ऑल्सो हियर ओनली यू कैन राइट डाउन द कॉमन टर्म्स. हियर x and for 5x, here there is in common term. So how we are going to write down? X square is, so it is what? X into x. First term we split and we write down in this way. Done. Then plus sign, then 5 is what? 5 into x. And now here this in these two terms, so here it is what? 4 into x, and this minus sign. Now see here in 4's table, now just see here in both the we know that in 4's table 20 is there, and how by which number, by 5s. So instead of 20, how I am going to write down 24 5s 20. See मतलब ये जो 20 है that I wrote same but just I write down with the splitting with the help of splitting. मतलब ये जो 20 है उसके मैंने उसको split किया, उसको separate out किया with the help of the these two numbers. See 4 5s are 20 या 20, it is same. So now why separate किया, because here we are getting the common term. यहाँ पे 4 है इसलिए 4 के टेबल में I just identify whether 20 is coming, so it is coming by 5s, so 4 into 5. Now find out the common term in these two pair and these two pair. So here यहाँ पे common is what, कोई coefficient common है, no, only variable, and it is what, x x. So x, this x and this x we carry out. So what is remaining here, x, this plus sign, and here it is what, 5. Done. Now this minus sign we gave. Now in दोनों में see the common one. So what is common here, 4 4, x x is there, no. So this ये जो common 4 है that we wrote here, and then what is remaining from this one, x. So x I wrote here. Now see outside the bracket is what, minus sign, so this minus become the plus, and यहाँ पे ये 4 हमने बाहर निकाला है already है. So what is remaining, 5. So this 5 here is equals to 0. Now x plus 5, x plus 5 is common, so here it is what, x plus 5, and this remaining 2 x minus 4 we are going to write down in another bracket. So x minus 4 is equals to 0. Clear? Now this, see this both the bracket is equals to the 0, so one by one we are going to compare with the 0. So here what we are getting, x plus 5 is equals to 0 or x minus 4 is equals to 0, means x, this bracket is equal to either 0 or this bracket is equals to either 0. So x is equals to what we are getting, minus 5, and here x is equals to what, plus 4. So these are nothing but the values of this x. So last what we are going to write down, minus 5 and plus 4 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Clear? Now one more sum we will see from your practice set. It is the fifth one. So now see 2x square minus 2x plus 1 upon 2. So now here just see, first see whether it is according to the standard form or not. If you observe here, denominator is there, and therefore it is not according to the standard form. So what we are going to do, first we are going to convert it into the standard form by multiplying full equation by the 2. Why? Because we have to cancel the denominator. So when we multiply by 2, so what we are getting, first we are going to say that multiplying by 2. So what equation we will get, 2 into 2x square minus here 2 into 2x plus this is what, 2 into 1 upon 2 is equals to 0. So 2 2s are what, 4x minus here 2 2s are again 4x plus 2 get cancelled, only 1 is remaining, is equals to 0. So now here these equations we get here in the standard form. So now we are going to use the factorization method. So again here this 4 and this 1, their multiplication. So 4 into 1 it is what, 4. Done. Now this 4 we have to this 4 factors we have to find out. तो वो 4 के factors हमें किस तरह से find out करने, यहाँ पे which sign is there, plus. So means जो factors find out करेंगे their addition will be what, 4. So 4 is coming in which table? See 2 2s are 4, then 4 1s are 4, and then 1 into 4, only this one. So यहाँ पे which sign is there, plus sign is there. So see the pair of those that in whose if addition we are going to get, the addition what we will get, we will get the addition 4. So here see 2 plus 2 is what, 4. Then 4 plus 1 is equals to what, 5, and 1 plus 4 is equals to what, 5. तो हमें addition क्या चाहिए, middle term. So middle term addition where we are getting to these factors. So means what, these factors we are going to take. So 2 into 2. So what, whenever we do the addition of the factors, so addition means what, give middle sign to both the factors. So see here 2 plus 2 is equals to what, 4, and here 4. So addition की है factors की. So addition means what, addition means give middle sign to both the factors. So here my middle sign is what? Minus. So here these two having minus sign and these two having the minus sign. So now next step is what? This middle term we are going to replace with these factors. Clear? So see, the next step is what? 4x square minus, now instead of this one we are going to write down with these two factors. So 2x minus 2x, this third term as it is, plus 1 is equals to 0. So now see here, 2x minus 2x minus 2x is nothing but what? Minus 4x. Clear? Now this one group and here this one group. Done. Now the common term we have to find out. See here 2x is there and here x is there. So हमें पता है the 4 is coming in 2 tables. So here अगर इसको हम split करते हैं तो how we are going to split? 2 into x into x. Understood? 2 2s are 4 and this x into x. Now here this minus 2 into what? X. So now see here common terms, इन दोनों में common terms क्या क्या है? And the next one, suppose यहाँ पे कोई है नहीं तो 2, see ये this one and this one we split here, तो यहाँ पे उनका एक group हो गया. And now this minus sign and next one is what? 2 into x and there plus 1 is equals to 0. This one is the another, यहाँ पे 1 है, so that we wrote as it is. So यहाँ पे common is what? See this 2, then is what? This x and this x, means what? 2x is the common in this 2. So 2x we carry out. So यहाँ पे from the first term if we carry 2x out, so what is remaining? This 1 and this 2 and this x, means what? 2x is only remaining. Done. Then minus sign और यहाँ पे तो from this term we carry both the terms outside, so there is nothing, means there is what? 1. So यहाँ पे 1 is common. Done. Then this minus sign and now see here 2, यहाँ पे 2 into x है तो 2 यहाँ पे नहीं है, x यहाँ पे नहीं है, means यहाँ पे कोई common नहीं. If there is nothing common means there is 1 common. So after this minus sign we give the 1 and into bracket. So here what is remaining? 2 into x, 2x as it is, plus 1 is equals to 0. So now see here, यहाँ पे sorry, here I did one mistake. Outside the bracket minus sign is there, so means what? Inside sign will change. It means what? This minus become this plus become here minus. So here we give the minus. So 2x minus 1 and 2x minus 1 is the same. So here we wrote 2x minus 1, this common bracket we wrote once here, and this one term remaining terms into another bracket. So 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. So now this we compare with this 0. So what? 2x minus 1 is equals to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. So 2x is equals to this minus 1, that side plus 1. 2x is equals to this minus 1, there plus 1. So x is equals to what? 1 upon 2 and here x is equals to what? 1 upon 2. So it means what? X minus 1 upon 2 is the other roots of given quadratic equation. So therefore here we are going to write the 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Clear everyone? I hope all of you understood. So remaining all sum is your homework. Clear? Now we are going to see the next method to find out the root of quadratic equation. That is nothing but the formula method. Thank you.